Hi friends. Okay, this is Noticing Life's Magic. We got this new playground. I wasn't too thrilled because it's so bright and plasticky in our cool little town, but look what it has. How cool, encouraging children or big children such as myself to come and play with the sound. There's David over there playing with the sound. And I don't know, just thought it was a tiny little bit of fun magic. I'm sharing it. It seems Happy New Year-ish. Sorry if the video made you a little seasick. I'm gonna walk over here because there was this other sound that was really cool, and it's this thing. All right, let's see if I can keep the camera steady. I like this sound, it's very light. Anyway, play with sound, it's fun. Listen, be, breathe, and enjoy this day.